Hi Shavesh, I've got some more changes for the One2One Care website, so I'll just quickly go through those now. The housing tab, could we remove that please? Down a little bit there is the word heading, could we remove that please? On the services page, down below we have a download brochure button. And this link here, can we remove this link? But where this link links to, can we add that to this button? So this button goes to where this link is, but we're going to remove this link from down below. What's next? So on this one, information, can we remove handbooks and staff forms, please?